Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and our friends at Cobb are back at it again, introducing the Cobb NexGen Flex Fuel Kit for the 15 to 21 STIs. Your hands are about to hurt because we're going to be shucking that corn. Let's go. Flex Fuel is back, and boy did we miss it. If you're looking to up the power and performance of your VA chassis STI, there might not be an easier way than adding ethanol to the mix. So what is ethanol and what is flex fuel? Ethanol is a renewable gas additive made from corn. The octane levels of ethanol are much higher than standard premium gas, roughly 110 octane, and burns much cooler, in turn allowing more boost, more timing, and more power. So what is flex fuel? Flex fuel is the ability for your car to accommodate for any mixture of gas and ethanol on the fly without any additional work on the driver's end. You simply pull up, add gas or ethanol, and you're on your way. If you purchase the NexGen fuel kit, then you'll receive these two boxes right here, which consist of your ethanol sensor, plus your -6 lines and everything to hook it up. Also, you'll get your brain box, your mounting hardware and bracket for your brain box, and our plug-and-play harness. Simply install these parts with the required fueling upgrade, and you can download the off-the-shelf map that's on the Cobb access port, and there you go. For maximum performance, most tuners will require a fuel pressure sensor, which you see here. This allows for increased fail-safes in case a sudden drop in fuel pressure is detected. This kit is currently only available for the 15 through 21 STIs, but Cobb has a long list of vehicles that they are currently working on. So check back soon to see when other applications are available. So for more parts just like this and thousands of others, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world. And like always, we'll catch you on the next one.